kung sabi ng dating Pangulong Digong na ang Congress po ay ang pinakang bulok na agency. Para sa ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos, nakagawa ng napakagandang trabaho ang Kongreso at naging parte or gumanap ng napakahalagang papel, mga kababayan, sa nation building. Ayos pa? Napakaganda, mga kababayan, ng naging mensahe ng ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos kay House Speaker Martin Romualdez. Kasi ngayon pala yung birthday niya, 60th birthday ni Martin. Kahapon si Super Ate, birthday din. 68th birthday ni Super Ate. Siyempre, yung ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos pumunta doon. Ayan po, yung birthday bash ni Super Ate with the President. Yan po. Ngayon naman, birthday ni Speaker Martin Romualdez. Ito yung balita ngayon. President loudspeaker for ably leading House in nation building. Yun yung pinadalang mensahe, mga kababayan, ng ating Pangulong Bongbong kay Martin. Kaya lang yung kwento, mga kababayan, ng mainstream media, may kasamang karga. Dinagdagan ng karga ng mainstream media. But before ko, mga kababayan, ibigay sa inyo yung kwentong may karga, click subscribe muna dito sa ating YouTube channel and click the notification bell para lagi po kayong updated sa mga kaganapan dito sa ating bansa. Like and share na rin po ninyo ng ating video para marami yung makapanood. Huwag na rin po ninyo, mga kababayan, na skip yung ating mga commercial ads para tuloy-tuloy ang pag-unlad ng bagong Pilipinas. Sa mga naghahanap pala po ng clean and spacious fitness gym, bumisita lang po kayo sa aming Colossal Fitness Gym. We also offer Grab car rental po with our brand new 2023 model ng Toyota Innova. Tumatanggap din po kami ng booking for those who are planning to travel via PAL and Cebu Pacific, and bills payment po for Meralco Bills, PLDT, etc. Ang Colossal Fitness Gym matatagpuan po sa 3rd floor ng Security Bank Building, Lanco Business Park, Legazpi City, Albay. For your inquiries, look for Jilon Maravillas. Contact number niya po 0966-802-0949. Ayos pa, mga kababayan? Ayos na ayos anya, Mr. Maravillas. So yan po, mga kababayan, yung balita ngayon. Kambal dikit lang talaga po yung ating Pangulo, saka si Martin Romualdez. So, sabi dito sa balita na medyo may halong karga. Published by Philippine Daily Inquirer. In what seems like exchange of praises between two branches of government, pinasalamatan ng ating Pangulong Bongbong ang kanyang pinsan na si Martin Romualdez for ably leading the House of Representatives as the Chamber passed a resolution na pumupuri po sa ating Pangulo sa pagsuporta sa Kongreso. So, nagpalitan po ng pagpupuri. Di ba? Sa kanyang statement, mga kababayan, sabi ng ating Pangulo, the Speaker niya has done a good job of leading the House, which has played an important part in nation building. Kaya po, kung sabi ng dating Pangulong Digong na ang Congress po ay ang pinakang bulok na agency, para sa ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos, nakagawa ng napakagandang trabaho ang Kongreso at naging parte or gumanap ng napakahalagang papel, mga kababayan, sa nation building. Ayos pa? We of course thank you for all the good work that you have done in leading the House of Representatives and the very important part that the House of Representatives under your leadership has played in our effort of nation building, sabi ng ating Pangulong Bongbong. And let's hope to keep that working relationship strong and vibrant. And I look forward to the years to come where we can do even more good work together. Sabi ng ating Pangulong Bongbong. So ang ibig sabihin mga kababayan yan, malamang si Martin Romualdez will remain as Speaker of the House hanggang 2028. Kung hindi mag-desisyon si Martin na sa 2025 midterm election tumakbong senador. Kung tumakbong senador si Martin sa 2028 o 2025, malamang siya yung susunod na Senate President. Di ba? Pag naging Senate President, ang sunod niyan, Presidente ng Pilipinas sa 2028. Or kung halimbawa, piliin ni Martin na maging congressman ng Leyte, malamang hanggang 2028 hindi siya mapapalitan as a Speaker of the House. At pag 2028 mga kababayan, the same, malamang siya yung i-endorse na susunod na Pangulo. Di ba? Yun ang basa natin. Basa ko man lang po yon mga kababayan. Doon sa naging statement ng ating Pangulo na ang sabi niya, I look forward to the years to come where we can do even more good work together. Yun ang ating basa, mga kababayan, doon sa kanyang pananalitang ganon. Ganon ba niya, Mr. Maravillas? Ganon. Nag-joke din mga kababayan, siyempre, magpinsan yung dalawa. Si President Bongbong Marcos, baka niya masobran tayo ng kain. Mahirapan tayo na mag-maintain ng timbang. Di ba? Kasi siyempre birthday. Ngayon, sabi rito, the House meanwhile adopted House Resolution number 1463 during Monday's session, which expresses the Chamber's gratitude for Marcos' support. Now, according to the resolution, Marcos also played a part in many achievements set by the House in the 19th Congress. Tulad po ng passage ng mga importanteng batas that contribute to the President's legislative agenda. The House of Representatives, anya, has already achieved unprecedented accomplishments halfway through its term, lalo na in upholding the principles of integrity. Kaya po kung sabi ng dating Pangulong Mau Diggs na bulok yung pinagang bulok yung Kongreso, hindi po yun papayagan ng liderato na lait-laitin lang ng ganon. Di ba? So sabi diyan, particularly in upholding the principles of integrity, transparency, and accountable governance, pursuing impressive economic growth, and lifting Filipinos from poverty, sabi po sa ipinasang House Resolution number 1463. The House of Representatives anya recognizes President Marcos' esteemed ability to steer and inspire this august chamber to move forward as a dynamic, efficient, and focused government arm upon which the entire Filipino nation rests its trust, hopes, and aspiration, it added. Diba? Pang-counter po doon sa mga masasamang pananalita ni Mau Diggs. So sabi dito mga kababayan sa balita na may kasamang karga, this exchange of pleasantries anya between Marcos and Romualdez comes as observers claim that cracks have started to surface on the unity team. The campaign team of President and Vice President Sara Duterte who ran together in the 2022 national elections. Diba? May background story po. The issues came anya after the House eventually decided to remove the confidential fund requests of Duterte's offices for 2024, that of the Office of the Vice President and DepEd, worth 500 million pesos and 150 million pesos respectively, na inilipatan niya para magamit na pandagdag doon sa mga agencies engaged sa national security, lalo pa mainit yung issue sa West Philippine Sea. So according to the older Duterte, the House is the most threatened government organization, as it supposedly has a pork barrel being distributed to lawmakers, kung saan yung Congress dumipensa naman po. Yan ang kwento rito ng Inquirer na may karga. Yan niya Mr. Maravillas, yung kwento naman talaga palagi ng mainstream media. Lagi man anyang may karga. Anyway, mga kababayan, pakinggan na lang natin yung mensahe po ng ating Pangulo kay Martin sa kanyang birthday. Ito po siya, pakinggan na lang po natin. Ito, wala itong karga. I-play natin yung message ng ating Pangulo kay Martin.
Well, what can I say? Happy birthday to our Speaker Martin Romualdez. There have been, I'm sure, very many greetings, so I will just add my own. And I will, of course, thank you for all the good work that you have done in leading the House of Representatives, and the very important part that the House of Representatives, under your leadership, has played in our effort of nation building. And let's hope to keep that working relationship strong and vibrant. And I look forward to the years to come where we can do even more good work together. But on a more personal note, I'm sure that we will have a fine celebration on your birthday. And I am certain that once more, you will continue to provide all of the goodies and treats that are making it difficult for us to keep our weight. But that is not a complaint. That is just a reminder that they're much appreciated. In any case, it's our turn to provide you with the treats on your birthday. Happy birthday, Martin.
Yun man lang po, yung mensahe ng ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. Recorded message niya, pinadala niya doon sa sa kanyang pinsan, plinay doon sa Congress. Kaya lang nang gawa ng kwento ng mainstream media at lagyan ng background story, nagkamali siya na tuloy, mga kababayan. May karga kasi. Di ba? Lumalabas na tuloy na sumaklolo yung ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos nang magpalitan ng pagpupuri yung speaker at yung ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos sa okasyon ng kanyang birthday. Ganon ang lumalabas po sa kwento. Pero wala mang ganon sa mensahe ng ating Pangulo. Ayos pa? Ayan man lang po. Baka lang gusto niyo po itong itry, Firmax Firming and Lifting Cream. Pinapahid po sa mga pulses in affected area. Mainam po sa paninigas ng mga kaso-kasoan. Ito naman po, Automax Radiant Serum. Sa mukha naman po yung application. Anti-aging po siya. You will look 10 years younger than your age. Babata talaga po kayo pag gumamit kayo nito sa sa inyong mukha. Sa mga cancer patients naman po, baka lang gusto ninyo itong itry. Neng siya Red Mix Fruit Drink. Hindi man po siya gamot, food supplement siya. Kaya lang, gawa siya, mga kababayan, sa good shit berry. Yung good shit berry may anti-cancer properties. O ngayon, sa mga inquiries po ninyo, dumiritso na lang po kayo sa aming messenger sa Facebook para masagot namin agad. Ayos pa? Ako po si Dante Maravillas. Bye-bye. God bless.